Good morning, Rather Roman investigators Samie Garcia, Lizy Regules, Pame Dovalina, y Dani Gonzalez. Today we're going to talk about the age of exploration and the most famous Spanish and Portuguese explorers, including Christopher Columbus, Hernán Cortés, and Francisco Pizarro. In the age of exploration, these different explorers wanted to discover new lands to expand their territories, and they wanted to spread Christianity. In this picture, you can see a voyage with Christopher Columbus. One of the main reasons Spanish-Portuguese wanted to expand was that they wanted to spread Christianity to other lands, and they wanted all the territories they possessed to be Christians. Portuguese invented a ship called the caravel that was faster than previous models.
Columbus moved to Spain in 1485 and began devising a plan to reach India and Asia by traveling west. In August from that same year, Columbus departed from Spain with 3 ships, the Niña, the Pinta, and Santa Maria. After over a month, Columbus and his crew arrived to Cuba. He believed he had reached Asia and returned to Spain to report his findings.
In 1524, Pizarro set sail for South America. Pizarro got the Spanish king permission to conquer Peru. Pizarro killed the emperor not long after conquering the Inca capital of Cusco in 1533.
Vasco da Gama was the first person to sail directly from Europe to India, around the Cape of Good Hope. In his first voyage, he discovered India. The second voyage was more of a military expedition when he captured Arab ships and tried to show the might of the Portuguese navy. On the third voyage, Vasco was to take over as Viceroy of Portuguese India. He established Portuguese trading posts in what is now Mozambique.
Cortés decided to sail to the New World, to what is now Haiti. Cortés took over the Aztecs' capital and also spread Christianity. The Columbian Exchange was a widespread exchange of animals, plants, culture, human population, communicable disease, technology, and ideas between the American and Afro-Russian hemisphere following Columbus. In this map, Christopher Columbus is the red arrow and da Gama is the green arrow. Tordesillas Treaty is an agreement signed at Tordesillas, Spain, by which Spain and Portugal divided the non-Christian world into 2 zones of influence. The Dutch, French, and English had begun to challenge the Portuguese and Spanish for colonial dominance. Motivated by the promise of gold and other precious goods, these countries sent explorers to the Americas. The Dutch formed the West India Company, founded mainly to carry on economic warfare against Spain and Portugal. These are some trade and disease statistics we found.
Thanks for listening to our explanation. During the process of this project, we'll learn about the different ways the explorers conquered the lands, why they trade, why were the explorers famous, and their new discoveries.